The impacts of mining activities on environment can be placed next to agriculture. Ramchandran and Padmalal, 1997. No doubt, minerals including the building materials coming under the minor mineral category like river sand and gravel are indispensable for development and sustenance of the quality of life. At the same time, it is essential that mining activities need to be continuously monitored and kept under control for the overall management of the environment. Most of the developmental activities do not give due regard and attention to various environmental problems which the activity generates. The question to be addressed with regard to environmental issues of mining pertains to conservation of minerals, on the one hand, and the environmental problems on the other. Depending on the location and type of mining, the magnitude and the importance of impacts would vary. Some of the general impacts of river sand and gravel mining on various components of the river basin environment of Kerala. The river channels, in the Midlands and lowlands of Kerala, are deteriorated drastically due to illicit scooping of sand even from prohibited areas close to the river banks. In some cases, the river bank itself is being scooped out first for tile, brick manufacturing, overlying clay-rich layers, and then for construction-grade sand, underlying layers. The process ends up in the destruction of riparian vegetation, which provides habitat to many organisms. Channel incision due to indiscriminate sand mining not only causes vertical instability in the channel bed, but causes lateral instability in the form of accelerated stream bank erosion and channel widening. Incision enhances stream bank height, resulting in bank failure when the mechanical properties of the bank material cannot sustain the material weight. Channel widening, on the other hand, causes shallowing of the stream, producing braided flow or subsurface inter-gravel flow in riffle areas, hindering movement of fishes between pools. Channel reaches becomes more uniformly shallow as deep pools fill with gravel and other sediments, reducing habitat complexity, riffle pool structure, and number of large predatory fishes. Shallowing and widening of the channel also increases stream temperature extremes, and channel instability increases transport of sediments. Downstream, mining-induced bed degradation and other channel changes may not develop for several years until major channel adjustment flows occur, and adjustments may continue long after extraction has ended. Reduced flow velocity due to channel deepening and widening can aggravate saltwater ingression in the downstream reaches of rivers. This further imposes added stress to the physico-chemical and biological environments of the river ecosystems. Studies carried out in some of the major rivers of Kerala show that on an average, the river channels at its storage zones lower by 5 to 20 cm per year consequent to unabated sand mining. Please like and subscribe this channel for more innovative videos.